Hello, this is Himanshu Joshi from Team FHIR for class CS6440 batch of Spring 2018. This is our final presentation for the project Modified Early Warning System. This is our team introduction. Prachao Lee is our project manager and I am the developer of the project. Our project mentor is Dr. Lorenzo Di Francesco. This is the member contributions for our project. Chao Li, who is our project manager, worked on requirements gathering, setting up the FHIR server, and working on Docker image files. I am the developer who worked on requirements gathering, programming of actual model, and QA and bug bashing. Now, modified early warning score is calculated by looking at 5 critical vital signs of the patients, namely systolic blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, temperature, and AVPU score. AVPU score is simply the responsiveness of the patient. Now, this simple score is very critical in identifying deterioration of critically ill patients early. This will help the nursing staff to take further action depending on the score. Now, the goal of our project was to create a backend service to calculate modified early warning score and display an alert based on the score value. Our mentor had a requirement that if score is 6, then display alert of nursing to notify primary physician. If alert is 7 and 8, the message is shown in the picture. These are the technologies that were used to complete our project. The FHIR server was set up on AWS EC2. The Docker image was set up to run the application. All the coding was done in Java, and the code was centrally located on GitHub. We had a data concern that the AVPU score in FHIR server could not be hosted. To overcome that, we created a list of AVPU in Java, and whenever we were calculating the score, we used to get a random value from that list. This is demonstrated in the code picture below. This is the Gantt chart that shows the resources and the tasks that were done and the duration and the actual time. Deliverable 1 was presented by Chao Li. Deliverable 2 was presented by Himanshu Joshi. Deliverable 3 was presented by Chao Li. This chart can be accessed using the link below. Now the next step for our project is to integrate the model with the real EHR and EMR and then send the notifications to the primary physician in form of email or SMS, and even have this system run live, so whenever nurse enter values for the patient, the system can calculate the score on fly and send the notifications. This is the alert screenshot when we run our system. The critical vital section shows the values for that patient that were used in calculating the score. For example, patient with ID 5, Adam Levine, has a modified early warning score of 7. Under critical vital section, it does not display all the values, only the values that were critical and were used in calculating the score. You can see that depending on the score, different alert has been printed. Now I will quickly show you the demo using Docker. Now when you type in Docker compose up and enter, it will start running the application. It will first contact the FHIR server, get the data, calculate the score, and display the alert. Now you can see that all the patients have been worked on for the alert. Now the AVPU score will be different for each iteration because we get a random value for each patient. We have purposefully have records of high values in our database so that it can fire up the alert. Our system calculates the score for 10 patients at a time. Thank you for watching our presentation. We thank you, our mentor, Dr. Lorenzo Di Francisco, for taking into consideration all the concerns, and also our TA Paul for guiding us in technical area. Thank you.